Answers to measurement grade 3. Length of the bird's feather would be in centimeter. Distance between the school and your home, it's not a small distance, so it's a larger distance, is in kilometer. The length of the pencil is in centimeter, you hold it in your hand. Milk in a small bowl is milliliter, liter or kiloliter. Since it is a small bowl, it is in milliliter. Weight of a coin, it's not very heavy, so it is in gram and not in kg. Convert the values and fill in the blanks. So we have 8 meter, 1 meter is 800 centimeters, sorry, 1 meter is 100 centimeters, so 8 meter would be 800 centimeters. So 8 multiplied by 100 is 800 centimeters. 7 kilometer into meter, 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, so 7 kilometer will be 7 into 1000, which will be 7000 kilometers. Or sorry, 7000 meters. 6 meter 24 centimeters is 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So this will become 6 into 100 is 624. So it is 624 centimeters. 5 kilometers and 243 meters. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 5 kilometer is 5 into 1000 is 5000 meters plus the 243. So it is 5243 meters. Now circle the one which is the lightest in each of them. So here we have 100 grams, which is the lightest. Next one is 5 milligrams, while the others are in kg, grams and 50 milligram. The next one would be, again here I have a milligram here, so it is 600 milligram, and the last one, if I see, it is 100 milligram. Presco company delivered 89,000 liters to petrol pump A and 93 kiloliters. Remember 93 kiloliters in liters because you have to convert it to the same. 1 kiloliter is 1000 liters. So 93 kiloliters would be 93000 liters, which is 93,000 liters. So which means right now we know that it is petrol pump B which has got more diesel. Abby cycled for 3 kilometers, 550 meters. So we need to find out if Abby has cycled more or J has cycled more. So right now we've been given J, who's at 4, 5, 3, 0 meters. And Abby is 3 kilometers. Converting it into meter, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 3 kilometers would be 3000 meters plus the 550. So we have 3550 meters. So we definitely know that J has cycled more, but by how much more we need to subtract and find out. So here we need to borrow, and this becomes 13 minus 5 is 8. And we have 4 minus 5, which is not possible. Again we borrow, and this becomes 14 minus 5, which is 9. So it is 980 meters more. And who has cycled more? We said it was J who cycled more. So we have J who cycled 980 meters more. The next is, which month has the least number of days? And we know that it is February, because February has 29 or 28 days depending on the leap year or non-leap year. Draw the hands of the clock according to the time mentioned below. So here we have 4:15. So that means our clock small hand will be on 4 and the minute hand will be on 3. I'm drawing the minute hand slightly longer so that you're able to see it. 1:25, the small hand or the hour hand will be at 1. So let me just redo that. At 1. And I have the minute hand, which will be, if it is 25, which means it is on 5. 12:40, remember when the clock moves, the hour hand also moves a little bit. So instead of directly pointing at 12, I'm going to make it point between 12 and 1. So that's the hour hand. And 40 means the minute hand is at 8. 3:45, remember, it's 3:45, which means it should be pointing at 3, slightly beyond 3. And the minute hand is going to be at 9 because it is at 45. Look at the calendar and answer the given questions. Which day is the first day of the year? The first day of the year here is a Tuesday. So I'm going to write it as Tuesday. The spelling is Tuesday, and I'm going to write it as TUE in short. On which day will Republic Day be celebrated? Republic Day is the 26th. So it is going to be celebrated on Saturday. The spelling would be SATURDAY, and I will write it in short as SAT. How many Wednesdays are there in this month? So let's look at the column here. Wednesday, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 Wednesdays in this particular month. Let's convert the values and fill in the blanks. 5 minutes is how many seconds? So we know that 1 minute has got 60 seconds. So 5 minutes has got 5 into 60, which is 300 seconds. 4 weeks is how many days? 1 week is 7 days. So 4 weeks is 4 into 7 is 28 days. 3 hours and 15 minutes is how many minutes? So 1 hour is 60 minutes. 3 hours would be 3 into 60 is 180 minutes plus the 15 minutes, which makes it 195 minutes. Remember, this is 195 minutes. Let's just clear this and write it so that you're able to see it properly. So it is 195 minutes. 4 days and 2 hours is how many hours? One day has got 24 hours. 4 days will have 96 hours. 4 multiplied by 24 plus the 2 will make it the 98 hours. So we have 98 here. Rahul took a bus to Pune at 5:15. At 5:15 means he took it at 5:15. And he reached his destination at 8:45, which means he reached the destination at 8:45. So the question asked here is, how long was his journey? So here when we subtract this, we find that 45 minus 15 is 30 and 8 minus 5 is 3. So it is option number B, which is 3 hours and 30 minutes. Convert the time from 24-hour clock format to the 12-hour clock format. So the 24-hour clock format is 13:45, which we know is beyond 12 o'clock in the noon. So it is 1:45 p.m. 18:20 is again 18 minus 12 is 6. And it is 20, and we know that it has gone beyond the noon, so it is PM. 0005 hours, which means it is early in the morning, so it is 12:05 a.m. 12:10 hours is 12:10 p.m. because it's just past noon, so we've come to p.m. 9:30 hours is in the morning because we have not crossed noon 12, so it is 9:30. That's good. So did you enjoy doing this? There are many more such worksheets. Log on to Luma World.